My name is Jenny Thomason, and I am passionate about floral education and allowing yourself the permission to create unapologetically. Today's inspiration is Cascade Bouquets. I'm going to be doing a bouquet today in a holder, and normally we see this kind of holder. This is a small, round, straight-handled holder. We've used these for quite a while, but there's been a new holder on the market. This one, made by Oasis, is a European holder, and it's square. There's also round, but they're flat with more of a surface area. One of my favorites. So I've taken this holder and I've prepared it for my Cascade Bouquet today. So from the back, I've dressed the base of the holder and the handle. I've used this moss ribbon. It comes on a roll and it's got a white fabric backing. I've taken the U-glue strips. This is the large variety. You take one part of it off, and this is all a piece of U-glue. I've attached that U-glue onto the outside of this holder, all the way around, taken off the other side, which creates a sticky base. Onto that, I put the moss ribbon all the way around, and then using my Oasis fine wire, wrapped that as a decorative element to hold it all on. On the base, I've used my floral adhesive. I laid it face down and taken my glue and just drew on lines all the way around. And you let the glue evaporate just a little bit. It does have a little bit of a gas to it, so let that gas release before you actually add your floral onto that, so there's not a risk of like a chemical burn. Then I've added that same glue onto the handle, used the same ribbon and the same bind wire, just so all of my decorative elements match. Then for my floral material, for my garden cascade, I'm going to start with my greenery. I've got some eucalyptus. I've got some Oregonia. I've got some Italian ruscus and also some Israeli ruscus. Using my floral knife, I can clip my stems, and I'm going to add in the front length for my cascade drop.